my tribe. So let's talk about our next zodiac sign, that is Cancer. Okay, so Cancer for March 2025, 29th of March is bringing a very big shift in our planetary situation. So let's see what is going to manifest for you. Always remember, when any planetary situation happens, a big shift happens, uh, 1 month before, the shadow of those planets already start giving you the negative and the positive results. So let's see what is going to happen. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and then after watching the video, share it with your family. Share my video, guys. Then I'll be more motivated to make more videos, right? So please share my video, and let's start with the reading. So let's see what's happening with Cancer right now. You're manifesting a lot in your life, and here to move forward in your life, you are just saying, I'm done. I will do what I feel like doing, and this is the only way I need to move forward, that kind of thinking. Okay, your workspace, you're feeling very confused right now, where to work, what to do, whether I should go for this or I should go for that. So let's see what's happening in your, there's a new beginning coming in your life. So first week, Cancer is coming with a lot of money stability. Money is coming, a lot of investments that you're going to make in the first week. I feel everything is going to move very slow, but it is going to happen. Some deal will happen, some money that was blocked will come. You will have some money in hand which you are going to make a nice investment, and everything is going to be very slow moving. Anyways, Cancers are a little slow moving. They're not somebody who do things quickly. Slow moving. Second week is all about reconciliation with your old friends, with your old colleagues. You're going to meet a lot of people from the past in the second week, I feel. And in the second week also, I feel you are going to be also thinking about, see, if you're not meeting people, you're thinking about your old memories, school. Oh, that was my school. Or maybe you'll go and visit your school. Things like that will happen. People who have not met for a long time, you'll meet them. Okay. Third week is coming with a lot of offers. Now, these offers are offers of partnership, friendship. Okay. This is going to manifest into business, which will manifest into business. But be very careful whom you choose in your life, Cancer. Because I feel anybody who's coming towards you with an offer of work, business, or being close to you, being, friendly with you, is coming with an agenda. See, like I said, the 29th shift, things, even negative things also start. So there is going to be some kind of agenda in that mind, in that person's mind, seeing probably your money, status, or whatever you have in your life. That person is going to be attracted to that, not to you. So be very, very careful whom you share your secrets, whom you take in your life in the third week of March. Okay. Fourth week of March, I see a lot of things that you have in hand. You've been thinking, you've been really trying to move forward. I feel in the past things didn't work out. You were feeling very frustrated about this work or this situation. I feel there is some blessings coming to you. If you're working in the area of property, or any import export abroad, or you're wanting to shift abroad for your work business, I feel that there is some blessings coming to you. Those blessings are coming from your ancestors. Okay, ancestor blessings are coming too much, especially people who are big blessings these are. And anyways, like I said, it is shifting. The time is shifting after the 29th. So I feel blessings are coming which are saving you from all the negativity. Be very careful whom you do your dealings with, because there is a lot of chances of cheating over here. People will come, manipulate you, and take away and run away. So please be careful. There is a part of this time which will also, so how your blessings are working, even if people are cheating you, betraying you, and at that time trying to manipulate you, you will still be stable. Okay, there are a lot of negative people around you who are trying to get into your workspace and trying to manipulate you, cheat you. I'm only getting very strongly cheating, cheating, cheating. So yes, this ancestral blessing is coming to you in your property, in your work, import, export, any this kind of a thing. But if you're doing shows outside, if you're doing anything like outside, I mean outside where you stay. Okay, things will happen, but somebody will try to cheat you in your money. Suppose they will not give you payment, they will not tell you the right thing. So I feel blessings are coming, you're getting opportunities, but there is somebody who's trying to take it away also from you. Okay, yes, there is someone who's trying to take it away also from you. So I feel at such a time, always see something that has helped me in my life. I feel chanting is the best way to get rid of all planetary situation. All your planets get balanced if you just do a Om Namah Shivaya jap. Om Namah Shivaya jap is, like I told in my Shivratri video, it consists of all the 5 elements. सारे 5 भूतों को वो कंट्रोल करते हैं शिव जी. सो अगर only if you do Om Namah Shivaya jap, like 1 mala, 2 mala, not 2, 1 mala, 3 mala, or 9 times, you see all the negative situation, all your enemies will be in front of you, and you will be able to handle that situation. So with ancestral blessing also is coming a negative situation, probably the similar thing your ancestors also faced. So please be careful. Okay, take support of Shiv. I always believe he really is Bhole Baba. He really helps. Okay, so let's see your relationship reading, how your relationship is going to manifest in this time of such a big shift. So I'm going to be putting timestamps for the relationship reading. So it's easy for you, so that you know where it starts. Okay, general energy of March, your blocks, single, committed. So general energy is that, oh my God, see exactly what I was saying for your ancestral thing. It is listen. You see this card? This person or all the Cancerians have to just sit down and meditate for 2 minutes, and automatically they will get all the answers. Your ancestors are really working hard. The universe is really working hard to send you the messages. Just listen to the messages. If you're keeping your ears blocked, your energy blocked, you won't be able to receive messages. Receiving messages at this time is very important. Okay, connecting with the universe. Secondly, I feel the block is that you are wanting to move on in your life, but at the same time you are just not sure of it. Okay, you want that equal give and take of relationship. That's what I feel. Okay, so let's see for single people. I don't think there are any major blocks. The only thing I will say that you really need to listen to what the universe is saying. It's very important. Okay, single people, you are reaching out, you're going with the flow in life, but you're still confused about stepping into a relationship. So no relationship is happening in the month of March for you. And people who are already in committed relationship, they are healing. I think in the past there was a lot of black magic, evil eye on their relationship, but now they're healing and they're coming into balance, and they're trying to strengthen the bonds with their partner. Okay, the bonds that they felt there was something remaining between you all, that also is going to strengthen, and you are going to walk into success and prosperity in life, because your relationship, the minute it becomes more stronger, is going to get more luckier also, right? Your partner is lucky for you, Cancerians. So so please appreciate your partner, right? So let's see what we have as a universal message for you. Let it go. Let's go for all that no longer serves you. मतलब जो भी नहीं अच्छा लगता है जिंदगी में, उसको जाने दो. Let it go. अच्छा लगता से ज़्यादा I will say anything that is not serving you, did not do good to you. Be it any relationship, be it your own family, real family. Sometimes letting go of them also becomes very important. I don't know why I'm saying this, okay? So to whoever it resonates, letting go is very important. The universe is saying, if you're holding on to your past, holding on to your toxic family members, let them go. They will realize and come back, okay? That's all for today. That was lovely reading, Cancerians. And please share my video and press the bell icon and contact me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Hari Om Tat Sat.